COVID-19 cases in Springfield nearing 2,000 this week, and the data for today's cases hasn't even been counted. Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis joins us live with a breakdown of the latest numbers and what city health officials are most concerned about right now. Leon?
Chris, we're 402 cases away from surpassing last week's numbers, which was an all-time high in a week. Not all of Thursday's numbers are in yet, as people who got tested for COVID-19 at the Eastfield Mall Wednesday are expected to get the results back today.
This Omicron variant is spreading at a rapid pace, and there is not one individual that I know in the city of Springfield who is not experiencing a COVID-19 case in their family or in the workplace.
Springfield Health and Human Services Commissioner Helen Colton-Harris reacting to what everyone is dealing with, a continued surge in COVID-19 cases. Let's break down the latest numbers for you. Last week, the city saw 2,328 COVID-19 cases, the highest ever in a single week through the pandemic era in the city of Springfield. From Sunday to Thursday this week, cases are at 1,926. That's 402 cases away from surpassing last week's numbers. All of Thursday's numbers are not in yet, and Friday and Saturday's data will also be added. Through this recent surge in cases, Western Mass News has learned 45 Springfield police officers have been out with COVID-19. The Springfield Fire Department has seen about 7% of staff with COVID. Both departments say all shifts have been covered and everything has been manageable. Colton-Harris shares her biggest concern right now.
With this variant spreading so rapidly, it is impacting every quadrant of our workforce, and workforce shortage is something that I am concerned about as well.
Colton-Harris encourages people to get vaccinated and boosted. We checked in with a vaccination clinic on Friday at the Technology Park in Springfield. We caught up with someone who was getting her second dose. Why now? She says in part, it's because of the surge.
Yeah, I work in a healthcare facility, so I'm very worried about myself and my mom. She has asthma, really bad asthma.
Colton-Harris adds that she expects this week's cases to surpass last week's cases, but also she says that she expects a surge for next week, but she's hopeful that cases will trend down by the end of January. Live in Springfield, Leon Purvis, Western Mass News.
Leon,